Good morning and happy Friday. The end of the week. So I hope you're having a good morning. And let's get straight to it. I have an announcement to make. And first thing is the second third ingredient challenge we have. I will be preparing 2 of the meals this coming week. And we're going to move around my kitchen. And actually, I'm just going to go through the menu for next week. On Sunday, it could be 1 pot chicken stew. On Monday, which I'm now turning into a baking day. Yes, you heard me use that B word, baking. I'm going to be doing Ann Evans, a member, English scones. And then Tuesday will be the first of the 3 ingredient challenge, a pan-seared pork chops with Basque pears and roasted Brussels sprouts with bacon. On Wednesday, a Greek dish, spanakopita, or I can't even say it. It's a spinach and puff pastry dish. And Thursday, the second of the 3 ingredient challenge meals, oxtails with raspberry jam and okra with sauteed broccoli, which is just a side note. And then for Friday, it will be a spicy cream Cajun shrimp pasta with sausage. And that will be andouille sausage. So that's the announcement for the day, to include the 3 ingredient challenges. And let's show you what I've got going on. That's next week's menu. And we got some baby red potatoes and so forth. And today I am going to be preparing skillet lemon dill chicken thighs, my famous roasted baby red potatoes, and actually it says cauliflower au gratin, but I'm actually doing a broccoli au gratin. And we'll continue. And everything looks copacetic. Everything's laid out. My mise en place is going well. So, on this Friday, have a great day, eat some great food, and have fun cooking. Bye.